Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Yeah, so you're most welcome to the channel, and today we are doing this very gorgeous, nice, simple DIY here. Yeah, so without wasting your time, let's get right into the video. Yeah, so all the materials used will be in the description box, so you can check them out after the video, as well as their sizes. The leaf has two different sizes, so I'll give all the sizes in the description box. And if you have any question, you can also leave it in the comment section. And if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that we notify the moment the next video is uploaded. And if I feel I'm saying and too much, yeah, well, we don't have any other thing to say. So if you want this particular design, if you want to purchase it, if you want to buy it, if you want to buy this particular design, is going for I don't know how much I'm selling it for, 50 cedis. So if you want it, you can just either leave it in the comment section and add your, that won't be advisable, so yeah, either my a link to my Instagram will be in the description box as well, so you can just send me a DM and we'll ship it to you wherever you are. 50 cedis is like $8 to $9, less than $10. So yeah, and I'm sure it will really look nice on your wall. So yeah, and let's not forget, I didn't spray the back because I'm using it at home, but in case you are buying or you are doing to sell, then make sure you do spray the back. Make sure the work turns out very neat and very nice. Yeah, so these are the mirrors. That's the biggest, and the middle and the small. The middle is 2, and the smallest size, this is the middle size, is 2, and the smallest size is also 2. So if you want a set of 5 mirrors like this, is going for 80 cedis. So you can just also DM me and I will ship it to you wherever you are. Thank you so much once again for stopping by my channel, and I hope you do enjoy the video. Yeah, so as I said earlier, I didn't spray the back, so the back still looks the same. I didn't want to waste the spray since we are just hanging it on the wall at home, like I'm using it at home, so I didn't spray the back. But in case you are doing to sell, or if I'm selling this, then I'll surely spray the back or make sure the back looks nice, because you don't want any bad ratings on your product, you know. So yeah, this is basically it. This is bias. I just cut a small piece of bias to use as something we can use it to hang. What English am I speaking? Yeah, well, yeah, I'm sure you understand, you know. So that's basically it, and your design is ready. Very, very simple, very, very nice. This is how it looks on my wall. Like, I can't compare it to any other thing. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching up to this point. I hope you did enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.